to win. But what makes the man decide? Take the wrong or righteous road. There's a thin line between love and hate. Wider divide that you can see between good and bad. There's a great place between black and white, but everyone does have the right to choose the path that he takes. We are right to put the blame on society these days. But what kind of good or bad a new generation brings? Sometimes takes just more than that to survive, be good at heart. There is evil in some of us. No matter what, we'll never change. I will help, my soul will fly, so I will live forever. Hope will die, my soul will fly, and I will live forever. Just a few small tears between someone happy and one sad. Just a thin line drawn between being a genius or insane. At what age begin to learn of which way we will turn? There's a long and winding road, and the trail is here to burn. There's a thin line between love and hate. Wider divide that you can see between good and bad. There's a great place between black and white, but everyone does have the right to choose the path that he takes. I will help, my soul will fly, so I will live forever. Heart will die, my soul will fly, and I will live forever. I will help, my soul will fly, so I will live forever. Heart will die, my soul will fly, and I will live forever.
Bora!